Let's split this one into two lessons, just because the second part of the lesson goes well with the problem solving, which we're going to start tomorrow and next week. So just to wrap up sort of the equation solving, hopefully you guys are at a comfortable spot where if I give you an equation, you know what to do to solve it. Well, here's the most complicated equations we're going to see. And first of all, I want you to, I'm not going to do this one, cross off E. We're going to do A and C. And I wonder if there's a volunteer who would want to come up and do A on the board. Sure, give it a shot. You wanted to do some whiteboard stuff, here you go. Come on. Yeah. Remember, simplify each side of the equation first before you start moving things around. Forget it's an X, 4X.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, just use the eraser. There's an eraser icon up there, up top. Yep. And then go back to the pen icon. Yeah, yeah, you had it.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. So notice the first thing is she got rid of the parentheses. Now she looks at either side and says, okay, she's going to start moving things. She's going to start moving things. Okay, hang on. You realize you subtracted 5x 2 times on the left-hand side.
Oh, I don't need that close.
So what I would suggest you do, can't we simplify the left side a little bit more first?
Hold on.
And we don't need the equal sign at the beginning. Good. 7x plus 9 equals,
It's minus.
7x minus 9 equals, and that should be 5x minus 25.
Yeah.
Good. Now you can start moving.
I did.
Start doing this, I guess, or just keep going. Just go for that.
Yeah.
Positive or negative? Negative 16. Good.
Struggle with the microphones.
Oh, that's good.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, we don't need, remember, we don't need equal signs here because there's already equal signs going down. So, but those are the steps, right? You want to simplify first. And remember, back in Unit 5, we talked about how to simplify. Get rid of parentheses, collect like terms. So she got rid of the parentheses first by multiplying through each one. Then she collected like terms on the left. Now she starts moving things. She brings the x's together by subtracting 5x here and here. And that leaves us with 2x minus 9 equals negative 25. And then now it's a two-step equation. Add 9, Divide by 2 and we get x equals -8. Perfect. Okay. Let's look at this one. Now, if you look at this one, you should see, okay, there's lots to do on the left of the equation. Equal sign. There's nothing to do on the right. There's nothing to simplify. You can't simplify 8. It's just 8. But now you got to go back to what we learned in Unit 5. What do I take out first? Zara? The parentheses. So 6 minus 2 bracket 3y, none of that changes. But now I'm going to take out the parentheses by subtracting everything inside. So minus y is just minus y. What does the 4 become? Plus, because we've got minus 4. But I can keep simplifying the left side. I can get rid of the brackets by multiplying everything inside by -2. So -2 times 3y, -6y. -2 times -y, plus 2y. -2 times +4, -8. Don't start solving yet because I can still keep simplifying the left. What's -6y plus 2y? Careful. -4y. 6 subtract 8. Well, 6 subtract 8. -2, thank you. Equals 8. Now we solve. Well, I don't have to bring y's together because the y's are only on the left. So what's the next step? Add 2 to both sides. And I get -4y is equal to 10. Next step. Divide by what?
4.
No. You got to divide by the exact same thing.
2.
No. Divide by -4. Remember, to cancel out division, you got to divide by the exact same thing. Which means I got to divide this side by -4. So I get y equals 10 over -4. What do I do with that? Yeah, you can't divide it cleanly. What does it reduce to? -5 over 2. Perfect. Okay. Those are the only two I want to do right now.